ক্লাস 9-এর ইংলিশ অটম চ্যাপ্টার 3। তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো আর লেখো। সবাই লাইক আর সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। Although the day the fitful the giving alternative statement, the poet laughed to see the shaking twig dance till the start of eve. The sparrow sat on the cottage roof. The pigeons nestled round the court. The cock was crowing upon the dunghill. The grunting pigs dive and swim. What happens to the leaves of the moji elm tree in autumn? The leaves fall onto ground and fitful ghost takes them away down the lane. What are the things the poet loves to see on November days? Poet loves to see the fitful ghost, the shaking twig and the cottage smoke. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. Said to him, will you share your tiffin with me? Indirect speech হবে I asked him if he would share his tiffin with me. Anjan's mother said your father has left for Mumbai. Anjan's mother said that his father had left for Mumbai. The girls triumphantly said, "Hooray, we have won the match." The girl exclaimed with happiness that they had won the match. What does the poet laugh about the ghost? The poet laughs the fitful ghost which shakes the casement all day, takes the faded leaves away from the moji elm trees. What does the poet laugh about the ghost? The poet laughs the fitful ghost which shakes the casement all day, takes the faded leaves away from the moji elm trees. What does the wind do with other leaves? The wind of autumn twigs dry leaves by the window pane, while thousands of other leaves are down the lane. What does the poet love to see? The poet loves to see the dance of the shaking twig till the end of evening. Where is the sparrow take place? The sparrow takes place on the cottage roof. What does the sparrow's chief signify? The sparrow's chief makes us believe that spring was just flirting by after summer with its specific flowers. What does move upwards the next trees? The cottage smoke curls upward the sky through the next trees. When and where do pigeons nestle? The pigeons nestle round their nests in dull November days. Where was the cock crowing? The cock was crowing upon the dunghill. Where does the mill sail across? The mill sails across the hill going. Where does the feather of the raven fall? The feather from the raven's beast fall on the short lower part of the stem of crops on a grass-covered land. How and where do the acorns fall? The acorns fall by patterning down the tree near the old crow's nest. What did the grunting pigs do? The grunting pigs which wait for all scramble and hurry at the place of their falling. এখানে শেষ করছি। তোমার লাইক এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দিও। সাবস্ক্রাইবসে আঙুল দাও, ওখানে লেখা আছে সাবস্ক্রাইব, ওখানে আঙুল দাও দিয়ে সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও।